Hello everyone and welcome back to Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this stunning 2019 SE Tech Volkswagen Polo. It's finished in the special solid pure white colour, the perfect colour for a Polo, just like the mint. You've got your 15-inch alloy wheels, 5-door body design of course. You've got your LED daytime running lights lower down there. Really smart looking front. Take you around to the rear of the car and the side. You can see it looks really smart again. Way around. Got your tinted lights. Dark cherry red. Got your boot, pretty decent size. Also got your full-size spare wheel under here. Handy if you ever need it. Let's have a look inside this car now. Nice and toasty in here, thanks to the nice air conditioning. Control like this, do your fan speed and everything. Got DAB radio. This one, as it is the SE Tech, comes with navigation built in the SD card. Really useful when you don't have data, but you also have the option, if you want to, use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Also got adaptive cruise control on this one. Really easy to use and just a great system. You can see our dials here. This gearbox is the 5-speed manual gearbox, a really smooth, nice gearbox. And you've got your USBs down there to charge your phone. Cup holders in the back, it's all very similar. Obviously we'll give it a really good clean for you before you buy it. So you've got ice fix points in the back. In the front, you've got a useful sunglasses holder if you need it. And obviously your glove box with your service book in there and your manual. So it's a really smart little Polo is this one. Show you the outside again and tell you a bit more about our benefits. So one of the benefits is the 142-point check. So our Volkswagen approved technicians will check this car. They have 142 checks that they do to make sure that this vehicle is perfect for you, including the tyres. Our tread limit is 3mm, which we use at Volkswagen instead of 2.6, so you get a good set of tyres on every used car that we sell. We'll also check for any signs of wear and tear, and if there's anything that's not just general signs of wear and tear, we will fix that for you, or if you notice anything that you want fixing, we can sort something out. So that's the Volkswagen Polo SE Tech. As you can see, the lights at the rear are also LED. So you have halogens at the front and an LED at the back. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. All the links will be in the description down below, and one of our sales members can help you about finance or if you want to part-ex your car. Thanks for watching.